Hi, this is Steve, and I hang on, and I've got this ls&s
It is 12:15 a.m.
talking clock keychain, which has come in very, very, very handy since I've bought it. Alright, so when it's facing, see, there's three buttons on the back for setting the time. When it's facing you, there's the big talk button here, tells the time. There's the little screen display here. It shows the time. It's way too small for me to see though. All right. Starting on the left when it's facing you, it's that's the hour.
Time set.
Wait.
Alarm.
No, wait, that's wrong. Hang on. That's the hourly announcement. Turn it on and off.
Alarm on. 5:20 a.m.
In the middle
Snooze
is
on. 5:20 a.m.
alarm, snooze,
Alarm off.
alarm off. And then on the right is
24:12.
first beep, 24, 12 hours set.
Time set.
Time set, second push.
Alarm set.
Alarm set, third push. And then the beep, 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 beep means it's ready to be used again
It is
with the talk
12:17
button.
a.m.
All right. And then there's a keychain, so you can hang it on your backpack or you can hang it on your keys, on your lanyard. And that's the ls&s talking keychain clock. And when I got mine, it was around $12 and well worth it. Later.